What is up, YouTube? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Before we get into the video, I do have a band-aid on my finger. I cut myself while I was making breakfast. Happens sometimes. Y'all don't need to see all that, so I covered it up with a band-aid. But we're good to go. The show must go on, and I'm going to explain what that unboxing was in the intro. Obviously, that's the point of the video. But if you guys are new here, man, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We are sitting at 515 right now, man. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And while you're here, since you're already on the video, you might as well hit that like button. Helps the channel, helps the videos get shown to you and others. Really helps when you work the algorithms that way. And last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. So y'all saw that unboxing. It was something a little different. What was in the box? It was a brown paper bag. Why was there a brown paper bag in my box? This is a Grail unboxing, but we'll get into at least what I ordered from Go anyway. And that is, as you can see, the blue Nike SB box. So we're just going to get into the box so you can read and see what's on it real quick. And that is the Nike Dunk High Premium SB. This is a size 12, so personal pair, obviously. One of my Grails. And the colorway is Filbert, Black, Gum, and Dark Brown. Has anybody been able to put it together yet? What it is? It's an older shoe that I've really wanted since it came out. So excited to have it in hand. Let's get into the shoe. But as you can see, the shoe's not in here, man. So I do have, here it is right here, the brown paper bag. Or wait a minute. There it is, the brown paper bag Dunk, man. I love these things, man. I have wanted these for so long. You know what I mean? I know it might not be so exciting. A lot of you probably going to click off of the video. But this is a sneaker that I've wanted for so long. So happy to finally have it in hand. Let me take... So just so you know really quick, they do come with an extra pair of brown laces, but I'm going to keep the black ones in there. Obviously, I did go through already and do my loose lacing on it, so I get them the way that I want them. But man, I'm so excited to finally have these in hand, part of the collection, part of the rotation. Let's just get into the details of the shoe. So this sneaker came out in the summer of 2015. So about 5 years ago, I was going into my senior year in high school, and just it's not that I didn't know about sneakers, but I wasn't really on to game of picking up sneakers yet, like how to go after sneakers in certain ways, certain places, different apps, this, that, and the third. And also, I just wasn't aware of the hype of sneakers, you know what I'm saying? I just thought you'd be able to get a sneaker whenever you could get it. But man, this is a sneaker that I've always really wanted, so I do have a Grail list, and this is one of my Grails. So happy to check it off. If you guys have been around, you've actually seen me. The last one that I checked off was these right here at the end of 2019, the Reebok Kamikaze 2. Remember the Alamo? So obviously, just throughout time, I'm going around just checking off Grails, and I'm so happy to check off these. Really similar to another one of my Grails, which is the Nike Dunk waffle, the chicken and waffles is called, so it just has the waffle pattern and the syrup on there. Really want those as well, but now that I got these, I'm just gonna wait to get those for a little bit, man. Now let's just get into the details of the shoe. So you can see you get this crinkled material. I don't know if it's a leather or not. It doesn't feel like a leather, but you get this crinkled material around there, kind of similar to how you get that crinkled look on the Shattered Backboard 3.0. Obviously it's not shiny, so it's not a patent leather, but it's made to emulate and look just like a brown paper bag, as you can see right here, which is why I really like it. So just a little bit about me growing up. While I was still in public school all the way up through middle school, I was the kid, and even at the camp I used to go to, I was the kid that always had the bag lunch. You know what I'm saying? Some people paid for lunch, some people had their own lunch. I always had the bag lunch, and it was always a brown paper bag. I never had a lunch bag, a lunch box, and then that was the thing that, like, people would always make fun of me. Not make fun of me, but it was just like the, you know what I'm saying, like one of the jokes that we would make, because I had the same thing for lunch every day. I had a sandwich and a juice, a Capri Sun, and then whatever kind of sandwich would be, bologna, ham, turkey. But that was my thing. And then when these came out, man, it just made me think of carrying my brown paper bag to school every day. Even now when I have jobs where I have to bring lunch, I don't get lunch boxes. I always use a brown paper bag. Brown paper bags are just important to me just because of my upbringing, and I always had one with me in school every day. So when I saw these, I was like, man, this is a sneaker that I have to get. And I was actually able to get it for a really good price. Finally able to get it for a price that I wanted to pay for it. These were actually technically used. The note on them was that he tried them on, but that was it. So they're lightly used, which is fine with me to have them in hand. I actually went through, cleaned them already, did my whole relacing situation. But man, I am so excited to have these in hand, guys. You guys have no idea. This is a Grail for me as of right now. Spoiler alert for tomorrow's video. This is my #1 sneaker pickup of the year so far, easily, hands down. But there's also going to be some other changes in the top 10 that I've been thinking of, but this is definitely my #1 pickup of the year so far. Now, I do want to get into some of the small details of the shoe. So this is a premium Nike SB from the blue box era. And if you get into the insole, sorry, let me pull this one out. Is this the one that I want? Well, I'll pull this one out too, so you can see it right here. It's a premium insole. You get your gray insole splatters everywhere. Then down on the heel, you get Nike Air. Sorry, not Nike Air, Nike SB. But you do have Zoom Air in it, which is really interesting to have in the SB. So you got your Zoom Air pocket right there, as well as on, this isn't Zoom Air, but just some nice premium cushioning on the forefoot. Now, this is the insole on the left shoe is the one that I think is the coolest, just because, once again, the whole reason why I was drawn to this sneaker. Let me see if I could even get it out. And it's so interesting because of the whole reason, like I said, why I was drawn to the sneaker. So obviously, once again, you do have your Zoom Air, your padding on the forefoot, but then you got the paper bag logo on the heel of the shoe, man. Really, really dope. Super excited to have this, man. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am to have these in hand. These are definitely going to be heavy in the rotation, man. Let's get one more look. So here we go, your brown paper bag Nike SB, man. Beautiful sneaker to me. You got that crinkle pattern all the way around, which is going to be good as far as creasing is concerned, because the sneaker is already technically creased. Nothing really special about the build of it, though. Regular Nike SB build. I did think about, when I was lacing them, kind of doing it how people do the whole off-white vibe, with down here by the toe. I was going to lace underneath this part right here where it peels back, or same thing at the top, but I decided to keep it classic. Keep it with the loose lace, man. I just can't begin to tell you guys how excited I am to have these in hand. Definitely my top pickup of the year. One of my top pickups of the last 3 years. It would be in my top 5 pickups of the last 3 years, maybe, man. Shoe I've been chasing for a while. Put in a bid for it, not expecting to get it. He was selling it for $210. I put in a $185 bid, so that way it would go down after seller, or after whatever fees, you know what I'm saying, verification, shipping, all of that. It came out at $204. The sneaker retail for $110. 100% worth it. Man, I'm so excited to have these in hand, man. I'm gonna give y'all an on foot right now, and I'll get back to finish off the video. Alright, guys, so you can see it, man. The Nike SB brown paper bag, part of the blue box era. One of my favorite Nike SBs of all time. I know it doesn't get the credit it deserves or the hype it deserves, but to me, this is an amazing shoe just because of the storytelling that it does. That's what I think is so great about Nike SBs in general. Now, like an idiot, over the last probably 4 or 5 years, I've been selling a lot of my SBs. Actually, most of them. There's 2 SBs that I sold that I really, really regret. I sold my Dunk High, what's it called? The Dunk High Red Velvet SBs. Really wish I had those back. And I might get them back because they're selling, not for that much, but they are selling for more than I sold them for, which sucks. And then the one that hurts the most is I sold my low SB, the orange box era SB. So mad that I sold those, especially for the price that I sold them. I think I only sold them for like $180 or something, for a sneaker that I bought for $100. Those things are going for well above $400 right now. I really wish I still had those, but man, having these in hand is a great consolation. This is, like I said, one of my favorite sneakers of all time. So happy to have it in hand. So happy that I'm in a position now where I could buy sneakers like this that I've been wanting for a while, man. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know what your Grail sneakers are. Is this the sneaker that you expected it would be? What did you guys think it would be? I know I teased it the last couple of days on my Instagram since it came in. But one more time, super excited to have it in here, man. But that's it for this video, guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you guys are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Join the channel for more content like this, more unboxings, more sneaker talks, sneaker news. I do all the types of sneaker videos you could imagine. Make sure you subscribe and join the channel. Like this video, man. You're already here. You made it this far. You might as well like the video. Helps the channel, helps the algorithm, helps videos get shown to you and others. Last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, man. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.